Hello everyone. Today we will take ammonium sulfate nitrogenous fertilizer. Now generally we add the fertilizer to increase the fertility of the soil, thereby providing the growth of the plants. So ammonium sulfate is one more artificial fertilizer. We know that the fertilizer is generally expressed in terms of its percentage nutrient. So we express this as percentage nitrogen, and all the nitrogenous fertilizers are soluble in water and these are well assimilated by the plants, and generally in its nitrates form these nitrogenous fertilizers are absorbed by the plants. So ammonium sulfate contains about 21% of nitrogen. This can be synthesized or obtained by two ways. One, it is obtained as a byproduct, and second, it can be manufactured synthetically. So in the steel industries, ammonium sulfate is obtained as a byproduct, in which ammonia from the coke oven is allowed to absorb in sulfuric acid, thereby giving the formation of ammonium sulfate. And secondly, we synthesize ammonium sulfate by reacting ammonia with sulfuric acid. So let us start with the first method, manufacturing of ammonium sulfate as a byproduct. Here, the ammonia gas from the coke oven is allowed to react with 90 to 98% of sulfuric acid, which is taken into a neutralization tower. So the reaction that occurs is a neutralization reaction, giving the formation of ammonium sulfate solution. This ammonium sulfate solution is then passed into a crystallizer so that it gives the crystals of the ammonium sulfate on cooling. And after that it is filtered out by filtration or centrifugation process and allowed to dry. The reaction that takes place is ammonia, 2 moles of ammonia reacting with sulfuric acid gives ammonium sulfate, but the solution form is to be converted into its solid form. Crystals are formed by passing through the crystallizer, and then after it is to be dried and used. Second method is manufacturing of ammonium sulfate from gypsum, or generally we call this as a Sindri process. Now Sindri fertilizer factory at Bihar is the largest ammonium sulfate factory in Asia, and the manufacturing process consists of two steps, wherein the raw materials which are required are ammonia along with the CO2 gas, carbon dioxide. Okay, so in the reaction tower 1, we take the concentrated aqueous solution of ammonia from the top of the tower, which is packed with aluminum rings, and from the bottom of the tower, we pass this CO2 current. This gives the formation of ammonium carbonate in reaction tower 1. Now, in the reaction tower 1, ammonium carbonate solution is there. This is allowed to be taken into reaction tower 2, where adequate amount of finely ground gypsum, that is calcium sulfate or anhydride, is fed into this aqueous solution of ammonium carbonate, so that calcium carbonate is precipitated out gradually due to the double decomposition reaction, that is the double displacement reaction we can see. Here we can see the reaction of ammonium carbonate with calcium sulfate giving the formation of ammonium sulfate, and calcium carbonate is precipitated out. So we say here that carbon dioxide and ammonia are allowed to pass until all the gypsum gets converted into calcium carbonate, and ultimately we get the complete formation of ammonium sulfate. Here again we get the ammonium sulfate in its solution form. So it is evaporated and then crystallized in vacuum. So we get the solid ammonium sulfate. The calcium carbonate precipitates which are obtained can be used as a raw material in the manufacturing of cement. Now there are few factors that promotes the high yield of ammonium sulfate. First one is the concentration of ammonia. High concentration of ammonia helps to shift the equilibrium towards the product side. So that is to be taken in more proportion. High concentration of ammonia is to be kept. Control of the partial pressure of CO2, which helps to keep the bicarbonate formation to minimum. fine powder of gypsum is to be taken so that it is exposed to the which helps to expose the large surface area for the action of gases, and hence we get the complete formation of the product. Boiling of the liquid is only done after the complete settlements of the precipitates. The diagram is shown where in the reaction tower 1 we see the concentrated ammonia solution is taken from the top and carbon dioxide current is passed from the bottom. Here the reaction takes place, giving the formation of liquid ammonium carbonate first step. This solution is taken into a reaction tower 2 where gypsum powder is fed from the top of the reaction tower. So the reaction takes place is giving the formation of ammonium sulfate solution along with the calcium carbonate precipitates. These are passed into filter press. So pressing is to be done and these calcium carbonate can be taken out and the ammonium sulfate solution is taken to another evaporation chamber where it is allowed to, the moisture is allowed to evaporate, and hence it is after that passed into a crystallizer so that we get the fine crystals of ammonium sulfate, and after that it is to be dried and then packed. So this is the method for the preparation of ammonium sulfate from gypsum. Now how this ammonium sulfate acts as a fertilizer? So it is an action of ammonium sulfate as a fertilizer. When we add ammonium sulfate into the soil, it reacts with the lime present in the soil, giving the formation of ammonium hydroxide. This is oxidized. Ammonium hydroxide gets oxidized by air with the help of nitrosifying bacteria into its nitrous acid and hence gets converted into nitrites. Right? So after we get the formation of nitrites, this again undergo oxidation by means of air in the presence of nitrosifying bacteria, forming nitric acid and nitrates. Now, is present in the soil like say potassium hydroxide or calcium hydroxide. This reacts with the nitrates which are formed and gives the formation of respective nitrates like potassium nitrate or calcium nitrates. And we know that plant absorbs nitrogen containing fertilizer in its nitrate form. So these are then absorbed by the plants and hence the nitrogen is available to the plants for its growth. So these are the methods for the synthesis of ammonium sulfate fertilizer. Thank you.